Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1976 FJ43. The side tints more on the floor. You can see that we got the expression here and how we were supposed to do it. Of course, we actually know how to drive a stick shift. We got our nice comfortable bench seat in the front, our working gauges, stock gauges, our wipers work, hazard lights work, headlights work. We even got our nice comfortable back seat plus the extra room in case you ever want to bring guests. Because like back in the 70s, these cars were used as off-road vehicles. Got good power steering, good power brakes. We'll test it for you right now. Got a really loud horn. As we're cruising down here, you can tell that the vehicle is not fast. It performs very well, shifts very well. Even though I'm riding it right now, it's not even that rocky, not even that loopy, nothing like that. Just a smooth driving off-road vehicle. A little classic but off-road style. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around up here, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.